Hi, and welcome to the Workflows Cleaning tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how you can create workflows for your cleaning staff. To begin, what are workflows? Well, workflows are checklists or reports or forms that you'd like your employees to fill out while they are visiting your clients or your different locations for cleaning. An example could be a daily cleaning checklist. It could be an incident report in case something happens. It could be a uniform order form or even an employee referral form. So how do you create a workflow? Well, we've made life quite easy for you. All that you need to do is click on Add New and select Use a Template. Here you can search for the daily cleaning checklist that I just mentioned, the employee referral form, the incident report, etc. To edit the form, all that you need to do is to select the current form and select the template. On the left side, you'll have your different fields, in the middle, your canvas, and on the right, you can preview the actual form. From here, it's quite simple. All that you need to do is to click on one of the fields and change the wording. You can drag fields around and you can even add more fields. For instance, you might want additional comments for the cleaning checklist, which will be added at the bottom, and you can then drag it around as I mentioned earlier. Now, let's have a look and see how our workflow looks after we've had a few submissions. For this example, I'm going to enter my daily cleaning checklist. Here I can see that I have 3 entries, and I can go inside and I can see exactly what my employees have submitted. Each row is a different submission, and to get more details, I can click on this blue icon, scroll down to make sure that everything has been completed, and download the submission as a PDF and send to my clients if needed. At the bottom of the Insights section, I can even get additional information, like the ability to see who has submitted and not submitted a specific workflow, and I can filter for those that haven't submitted, select them, and send them a personalized notification. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching.